Hello, everyone, and welcome to the day three of Heal Your Heart. Finally, I finished what I committed 3 days of Heal Your Heart. And today, being 1st August, the first day of the month, and the topic is also very, very interesting. So let's revise what we did in last 2 days. So the first day, what we did was we had done connection with our own self, empowering our own self with the power within us. We did by letting go all the past memories, the past things which we were holding on, which was making us so heavy that we could not fly to what level we wanted to fly. And we put all our worries right into a balloon and let it go. We filled our hearts with a white light which was giving us power. And this exercise also made us very, very connected to our own self and powerful. The day two, we cut cord with all the griefs and grievances we had. We set ourselves free and we set others free. Forgiveness. Forgiveness was not about them, it was about us. We let them free so that we could reach to the power we wanted to reach. And yes, we made this possible by letting free everyone from all the grudges and the grievances we had. Forgiveness was the best part with which we blessed everyone and ourselves towards the journey of growth. And today, what can be the best to start this month with the three G's: grace, goodness, and gratitude. Yes, grace, goodness, and gratitude. We just need to find grace everywhere around us. It's all about what we are looking for. We, as human beings, were born with a massive grace because this species of human is the only species which has the power to design their own life. Don't you think this is the grace with which we were born also? And then the most important thing for us to survive and for us to get ahead in this journey was for us to free. Yes, guess what is it? Yeah, you all are true. We have oxygen that is for free and with which we survive. Imagine a day when you will have to go to a shop and ask, भैया भैया मुझे 200 रुपए का ऑक्सीजन दे दो. Or you are telling your boss, sorry, sorry, I am late today. I had to go to the shop to buy the oxygen. That's not the case, right? God's grace is with us since the time we are born. And every single day, every single hour, every single minute, there is a grace which is being poured on us, the goodness which is all around us. But we are wearing a lens where we are not able to see that greatness of others. What if anything is going wrong, but have you ever thought that it could have been worse? It has not been, right? Because there is a grace which is on you, continuously pouring the grace on you. We have the grace of this sunlight. We have the grace of people in our life. We have all this goodness around us. But just that we are wearing a lens where we are just crying and cribbing on things. We as an human species have a power that we can take decisions and decide what we want to do. If you think that you have decided something and you start feeling that, okay, this is getting difficult, it has this problem, it has that problem, and you move away from the goodness of it, just think it once again that it is not about what you decided, it is about that journey which you wanted to start and finding it difficult. There are two parts of it: whether you accept it and start working on it and look at the grace that, okay, I have this power to do it, and that is why it is to us. And always remember, you will only get problems in your life which you have a capacity to solve. The Almighty has never ever sent you a problem which is not your cup of tea. But yeah, We have that strength in us. That is why we can see that. And we find what we want to see because we are capable of doing it. We are able to see that problems. At some point of time, people are not able to see those problems because it's not in their capacity to get through it. And the next time, if you have such a problem that I'm not able to do this and I think it's not for me, instead of crying and grieving, select to delete and delegate. It's through the NLP program which you can learn this. And I have utilized many of these techniques in even my sessions. So if you want to know more, you can even get in touch with me. But for now, understand that there is a grace of God always around you. Just take any incident of your life and think on it that wasn't there any grace or goodness into it? Yes. So now that we have understood there is lot of grace since the time we are born, and we are born with the massive grace of taking all the decisions and making choices and designing our own life, we need to show the gratitude, because whatever you keep on talking about multiplies. Law of attraction. Yes, one more technique which I utilize in my sessions is law of attraction. You keep on repeating things which then take the face of reality. So we have to start from today to write down 5 gratitudes in our life every day which are making us where we are. For now, let's start with this exercise. I want you all to just close your eyes and think of 5 gratitudes in your life. I say about myself the gratitude that I was able to walk on this path, the gratitude that I have mentors who show me the way, the grace of God with my great and my healthy life, the grace of God in form of my friends and family who always stood by my side, and the biggest grace of God, the gratitude towards my whole being, getting up every day to this sunlight, this oxygen, and this world full of happiness. Thank you so much for this session, and I think this will definitely help you. From here, we start our new month with 5 gratitudes every day and fill our heart with goodness and grace. Thank you everyone for watching this series. Do comment how did you like it. Subscribe to my channel, and if you are happy, do share it with others who would be happy also. I would come up with few new series of this types. Hope you are enjoying this. Thank you and have lot of grace and happiness in your life.